Hi there, this is Jackie with the TinyBrander Customer Success team. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to set up a cart abandon sequence for your stores in order to recapture lost revenue. Now there's actually two stages to setting this up. The first stage is connecting TinyBrander to your email autoresponder. And then the second step is to actually set that correct autoresponder in your store. So let's start with step 1, connecting your autoresponder to TinyBrander. Here we are in the main dashboard, and if we scroll down on the left-hand menu to where it has settings and click that, and then go across the top to where it says autoresponder settings and click that. As you can see here, we connect with all of the major companies that deal with automatic mailing. So we have Aweber, we have GetResponse, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, Sendeo, Mailvio, Sendlane, Sendfox, GrooveMail, Blastable, System.io, Campaign Monitor, TP&I Engage, and Fluent CRM. If there are any missing that you would like us to add, please let us know through support@tinybrander.com, and the team are happy to work on connecting new autoresponders for you. Now, each of these companies have their own particular way to integrate with them, and we have a separate video on each one showing you how to integrate. And you can watch those videos down in the tutorial section on the left-hand menu. Just search for the name of the autoresponder, and that will give you the exact way to connect that particular autoresponder. And once it's connected correctly to TinyBrander, you'll see it has a green check mark like this one. And once you have that, you can move on to step 2 of the process, which is connecting that particular autoresponder and mailing list to your store. And we do that under Store Management on the left-hand menu. Choose the store that you want to work on. Hover over the 3 dots on the right-hand side, go down to Settings and click that. And then you want to look for step 4, which is the autoresponders, and click into that. Then select the autoresponder you've connected. So let's say for this example, I've been using GetResponse. Select that account. That is then going to go out to GetResponse and populate all of the lists that you have inside GetResponse. And it's going to ask you which list you want to use for your prospects. This is your cart abandons. And which list you want to use for your buyers, because you want a different set of messages going out to those people in comparison to those who are just cart abandons. If I click the drop down here, you can see that I can select any of the lists that are in my GetResponse account for the prospects. I'm just going to choose this one. And I can choose a different list for my buyers by scrolling down and choosing a different list. And then once I've done that, I just need to hit continue. Once that's done, that is going to send the email details of all of your buyers and your cart abandons into your autoresponder. In order to get help on how to set up the automatic emails inside your autoresponder, you should reach out to your particular autoresponder's help team. They'll be able to help you in setting up a cart abandon sequence, or a sequence of emails going out to your buyers. That's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. As always, if you have questions or concerns, you can reach us at support@tinybrander.com or use the help bubble in the bottom right-hand corner of your account. Have a great day and happy branding.